This is question number 3 that we are going to start today. Cash budget is the chapter that we have started, and we have done one practical question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us begin with illustration 3. See, from the following information, prepare cash budget for the period 1st March to 31st August. So, how many months? March, April, May, June, July, August. So 6 months. Okay. When the opening cash balance was 40,000. That means for 1st March, the opening cash balance will be 40,000.
40,000.
Now, from January to August, the information is given about sales, about selling expenses, about purchases, about wages, factory expenses, and administration expenses. Now, you are going to tell me from sales to administration expenses. How many incomes are there and how many expenses are there? Yes, sales is my income or expense.
Ma'am, income.
Very good. Selling expenses,
Expenses,
expense. That means payments. Purchases,
Payment.
payments,
very good. Payments. Wages,
payments,
Payment.
payments. Factory expenses, administration expenses, both.
Payment.
Both
payment.
are payment. Okay. So if you check in the question, only one income is there and all other expenses are there. Now maybe in the adjustments, some incomes may be there, few expenses, other expenses may be there. So let us check. Now look at the adjustment. Period of credit allowed by suppliers. Now who are suppliers? Creditors. And to the customers means debtors is 1 month. Both. Creditors means from whom I am purchasing, that means purchases, and customers, that means to whom I am selling the product, that means my debtors. They are going to pay me. My debtors are also going to pay me after 1 month. Credit period of 1 month. Period of credit allowed by suppliers and to the customers is 1 month, means after 1 month. Okay, credit period, always remember credit period is in the future. So here it is given 1 month. So after 1 month. Credit period means not advance. It is it is it is going to be paid in the future. So my customers are going to pay me in, like, after 1 month, and and if I talk about suppliers, I'm going to pay them after 1 month. Same. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me give you one example. Suppose you have sold the products to your customers in the month of January. When that customer will pay you? Yes. Can you tell me? If you have sold in January, so when you are going to receive the payment?
मैम 1 मंथ फॉलोइंग है या फिर
क्रेडिट क्रेडिट का मतलब ही ये होता है 1 मंथ फॉलोइंग. Credit, period of credit allowed, starting, beginning, look at the beginning of the adjustment. Period of credit allowed by customers is 1 month, by suppliers is 1 month.
यस मैम.
So period of credit means 1 month later on, after, not pre, not in advance, but it is going to be paid in future. That means 1 month later on, following. So if the product is sold in January, when you are going to receive the payment?
February.
February.
Wow. Similarly, if you have purchased from your creditors a bulk of raw material in the month of April, when you are going to pay them?
मार्च.
No, April, dear, April. If you have purchased from them in the month of
May, सॉरी
April,
मैम.
yes, you're going to
हाँ.
pay them later on in next month. Next month. That means May. Now, did you understand the logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next adjustment, lag in the payment of, lag means outstanding. Lag in the payment of means outstanding. Means again same point in the future. That means not in advance, but you're paying them after. After, let us see how many months after. Wages, after 1 month. Factory expenses, also after 1 month. Administration expenses, also after 1 month. And similarly, selling expenses, 1 month. That means all these expenses, wages, factory, selling, administration. So all these expenses are paid after 1 month, means following 1 month. So if I ask you, suppose wages of April will be paid in the month of,
May.
very good. Factory expenses of July will be paid in the month of,
August.
very good, August. And administration expenses of March will be paid in the month of,
April.
so similarly with selling expenses also.
Yes,
Now, are
ma'am.
you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, suppose it is 2 months for wages. So, if it is wages of the month of February, when it will be paid?
March.
No, I'm asking if it
Oh,
is
sorry,
two
April.
months.
April.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
April. Okay, but in this question it is given as 1 month. So we will go according to the question. I was just giving you an example so that you understand. Okay.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
third adjustment. See now, very important. It is not related to the table which is given above. Okay, it is whole and soul related to its own self. Let us see what he says. Machinery purchased for rupees 1 lakh in the month of March, payable on delivery in April. That means this owner, the business owner, is purchasing machinery. How much it cost him?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. 1 lakh is the cost. That means I'm going to pay 1 lakh. It is not my income, first of all, it is my expense. Why? Because I'm purchasing machinery. Whenever I purchase something, cash goes out. So there is an expense. I have to think about cash, not machinery. Because I am doing the chapter related to cash budget. So it is related to cash. I have to think about cash, whether cash goes out or cash comes in. I don't have to think about machinery. Yes, machinery. If I'm purchasing machinery, so it is related to cash, no? So whenever I purchase something, will I have to pay cash or I have to receive the cash?
Pay to the pay
Yeah,
cash.
pay. I mean, I have to pay the cash. That means it is my expense. It is understood. It will go to the payment slots. It is not going to be shown in the receipts column. It is going to be shown in payments. Okay, so machinery purchase for rupees 1 lakh in the month of March. I ordered the machine in month of March, but I am paying on the delivery in April. Means I got the machinery at my place, at my factory. Delivery means they had transported the machinery at my factory place in the month of April. So I'm going to pay them in the month of April only. Tell me, it is my expense which has to be shown in April or it has to be shown in March?
April.
Yes, very good, because cash goes out in April. So I need to show
Payment to
it in the
payment
month
slot.
of April. Now, did you understand the adjustment related to machinery?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Whenever I have to pay, I have to show it. Okay. I'm paying in the month of April, although I have purchased in the month of March, but I have paid in the month of April. So I'm going to show it as payment in the month of April. Next adjustment, building purchased in the month of April, rupees 3 lakhs. Payable in two equal. Equal means 3 lakhs would be half paid in May, half paid in July. Equal means, did you understand? 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50, half half.
Yes, ma'am.
Two equal installments. Now you will say, ma'am, the amount is not given. How much is paid in May? How much is paid in July? No, he is giving you the hint. No, two equal installments. So whenever he say equal installment means divide the amount into proportion. 3 lakhs will be divided in half half. What is half of 3 lakhs? Hmm?
1,50,000.
Very good. 1 lakh 50. So two equal installments means 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50 will be payable in May and July. One installment will be paid in May, that means 1,50,000 will be paid in May, and another 1,50,000 will be paid in the month of July. It is not June. Okay. So next point, commission. So this is also an expense. Point number D is also an expense. Now last point E, commission of 3% on sales payable 2 months after sales. 2 months after means 2 months following. Commission on sales. Now suppose sales of January. Suppose sales of January 3,40,000. How much is the commission? 3%. So you will take out 3% on 3,40,000. What is 3% on 3,40,000? Get me on the calci. 3,40,000 into 3%. So what is the commission of January? Come on, tell me
10,000.
quickly. 10,000. Sure?
10,200.
10,200. Okay. Now listen very carefully. Now this is the commission that I have calculated. It is related to January, huh? Because I have taken sales of January. So commission 3% on January sales will be the commission of January month. Okay. So this is the commission of January. But what he says is commission on sales payable 2 months after sales. Whenever you have sold, suppose you have sold in the month of January, you have to pay commission after 2 months, means following 2 months. So suppose commission of January is there, 10,200. When it will be paid? 2 months following means?
March.
Very good, March. Very good. So 10,200 will be paid in March. If you want to check, you can. See? Can you see the commission point in the solution part? Can you see this point? Look at my cursor.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it in the month of March 10,200, the one you calculated just now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 10,200 is shown in the month of March, but it was related to January. So that is why I said no, 2 months later on. He says no in the adjustment that it is paid 2 months after sales. Whenever sales is done, you have to pay the commission after 2 months of that. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to make for 6 months. So accordingly, you have to make the lines. Okay, adjust the page and make the lines. Draw the lines. Write down cash budget. Cash budget from 1st March to 31st August. From 1st March to 31st August. How many columns will be made? Yes.
Ma'am, 7.
Yes. Because from March to August, 6 months and one column of particulars. So come on, quickly, particulars. You have to start then with March, April, May, June, July, August. See just the way they have made here. Can you see the columns? Particulars, March, April, May, June, July and August. So from March to August, you have to make cash budget. So write down first point, opening balance. So tell me, what is opening balance? What is opening balance in the month of March? Come on, quickly. What is opening balance of the month of March? You read this
Ma'am,
statement, no?
40,000.
Yes, 40,000. You read this statement. From the following, prepare cash budget from the period for the period from 1st March to 31st August, when the opening cash balance was 40. Okay, write down 40,000. Okay, now write down receipts. Next line, receipts. Underline the word receipts. Now only one income is there. All other expenses are there. All others are my expenses. Only one income is there. Okay, write down. Which income is there? Can you tell me?
Sales.
Sales. But you will not write sales. You will write receipt. You will write as okay. You can write sales. That would not be wrong. Or you can write cash received from debtors.
Ma'am,
Yes.
collection from debtors.
Collection from debtors. Very good. So you can write collection from debtors. Whenever you sell the product, you are going to receive the payment. So you need to show how much cash is received when. Okay. Therefore, collection from debtors. This is the correct word. Now see, first adjustment is related to the customers and the creditors. Period of credit allowed by suppliers and to customers
1
is,
month.
yes, 1 month. That means if you have sold in the month of January, you are going to receive the payment in the month of February. But have you made the column of February?
No, ma'am.
No. If you are going to sell in the future, you are going to receive the payment in the month of March. So have you made the column of March?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So tell me the answer of the March. I mean, March is 1 month following of which month? When you want to fill the answer of March, you have to look at the month of February. Because he says 1 month following. 1 month following means March is 1 month following of which month?
February.
February. So you have to write the answer of February in the month of March. Because you are selling in the month of February, but you are going to receive it in the month of March. Therefore, in the month of March, you are going to write 3,20,000, the answer of the February. It is actually sales of February, but you are going to receive 3,20,000 in the month of March. Write down 3,20,000 in March. Now tell me, April is 1 month following of which month?
March.
So write down 5,64,000 in the month of April. Actually, it is sales done in the month of March. So now you can go in sequence. See, February sales will be written in March. March sales will be written in April. That is 5,64,000 in the month of April. 3,10,000. It is actually the month of. It is actually the sales of April, but it will be written in the month of
May.
May. 3,10,000 will be written in the month of May because you are going to receive it in the month of May. Okay. Tell me about June. How much you will write? June.
3,30,000.
Actually, it is month of May, huh? But you are going to receive it in the month of June. So 3,30,000 is correct answer. Okay, how much you are going to write in July?
4 lakh.
Very good.
4 lakh.
It is the month, it is the sales of the month of June. You're going to receive it in the month of July, and so your 4 lakh is correct. Okay, how much you're going to write in August?
3
3
lakh
lakh
60,000.
60.
Very good. 3,60,000 is the correct answer. But now wait. What about August 4,40,000? What about the month of August? The sales is 4,40,000. When you are going to receive the payment of 4,40,000?
September.
Yes. So have you made the column of September?
No.
Therefore, you are
No.
going to not. Therefore, this 4,40,000 is not useful to me. Information is given about August, but this information is right now it is not useful to me right now. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now clear? Yeah, okay. Next, the same adjustment is given about suppliers also. Same adjustment, period of credit allowed by creditors. Creditors mean suppliers, is 1 month. So who are the creditors? Who are the creditors from whom I purchase the raw material? So purchases are given, no? It is related to creditors. The column of purchases, look at my cursor. Tell me, it is 1 month following. Credit period of 1 month means 1 month following. So January's purchases will be shown in the month of.
February.
Have you made the column of February?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, leave it. Okay. Purchases of February will be shown in the month of.
March.
Okay. Have you made the
March.
column of March?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to show what is the amount of February of.
1,68,000.
Yeah, you're going to pay it in the month of March. Therefore, March is the following month of February. Therefore, you have to pick out the answer of February. February is 1,68,000. See, you have purchased 1,68,000 ka products in the month of February, but you are going to pay them in the month of March. Therefore, it is the amount of February, but it will be written in the month of March. So now you can go in sequence. March purchases are how much? March
One lakh
purchases,
sixty-six
but
thousand.
you have to pay it in the month of.
April.
Very good. So April 1,66,000. Very good. Now April purchases are. April purchases are.
May.
No. How much is the purchases of April?
Okay. 1,66,000 again.
Yes. So you're going to pay them in the month of.
May.
Very good. You have to show it in the month of May, 1,66,000. Okay, can you tell me how much it will be shown in the month of June?
1,52,000.
Very good. It is related to May, but we are going to show it in the month of June because it is late. It is following 1 month. Okay. Okay. How much you are going to show in the month of July?
1 lakh 52,000,
1,56,000.
ma'am.
No, it is of
One lakh
May.
30,000.
May
1 lakh, ma'am, 1
May
lakh 52,000.
purchases, May purchases will be shown in June, and June purchases will be shown in July. So how much you are going to show in July?
1,36,000.
Yes, very good. That's the correct answer. How much you are going to show in August?
34,000.
34,000. It is related to July, but you are going to show it in the month of August. Now, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about August 1,16,000? You have purchased it in the month of August, but you are going to pay it in the month of.
September.
Have you made the column of September?
No, ma'am.
Therefore, you need to ignore this point. Is it now clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Next point is lag in the payment of wages. So now come to the wages. Now he says lag. Lag means outstanding. Outstanding means after 1 month. Means here he says 1 month. No. Lag means outstanding. 1 month means after 1 month. Okay. Now after 1 month means January wages will be paid in the month of.
February.
I have not made the column of February. So leave it. February wages will be paid in the month of.
March.
So
March.
tell me, have you made the column of March?
Yes, ma'am.
How much it will be shown?
32,000.
Very good. 32,000 will be shown in the month of March. Actually, it is related to the February wages, but you need to show it in the month of March. Okay. What about April? Can you tell me what is the amount of April for wages?
3,36,000.
Now, where you are showing wages?
Payment.
Very good.
Payment.
Payments. Where did you show purchases?
Payment.
Payments.
Payment.
Purchases in the payments, wages also in the payments. Okay. So what is the amount to be shown in the month of April?
Uh,
Amount of April?
3,36,000.
Very good. 3,36,000. What is the amount of May?
24,000.
Very good. What is the amount of June?
36,000.
Yes, 36,000 is related to May, but you have to show it in the month of June. Okay. Okay. What you will show in the month of July?
32,000.
Very good. And what to show in August?
34,000.
Very good. 34,000. The amount of July will be shown in August. Is it now clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, similarly, you have to do it for factory expenses, administration, and selling. All are outstanding 1 month. Outstanding 1 month means following 1 month. So, all are payments. Write down factory expenses. Start with the month of March. Can you tell me the amount of March?
22,000.
Yes, it is related to February, but you have to pay it in the month of March. So 22,000 correct. Now go in sequence. After 22, it is 16,000 in April, 21,000 in May,
Yes, ma'am.
24,000 in
June.
June. Very good. 19,200 in.
July.
Very good. And 16,000 in the month of
August.
August. So now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the next adjustment. Administration expenses 1 month. So same way you have to do. I'm giving you 1 minute. Please complete administration and selling expenses both.